So in this video, I would like to explain some more examples. So who are looking my videos, please subscribe, and also if any one-to-one online classes also requirements, please contact my number 79817 Right, in this one IUPAC nomenclature. So some of the examples now you can see 1, 2, 3. So this is the common name is the isopropyl alcohol, but IUPAC name is 2-propanol, and the common name is a tertiary butyl alcohol. This one is a tertiary butyl alcohol. The nomenclature is that, so 1, 2, 3. So yeah, so 2-methyl 2-propanol, and another one, this is the benzyl alcohol C6H5CH2OH. So now this is the CH2 and OH. So now this is the benzyl alcohol. So or phenyl methanol. And also here you can see now the common name, this is the phenol, and now this phenol is substance is there. So now chlorine is there, nitro is there, and OH is there. So first we have to give OH priority, then then nitro, then chloro. So numbering should get the lowest numbering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. So now 4-chloro, 2-methyl phenol. So now this is the nomenclature, 4-chloro, 2-nitro phenol. And also very important example, you can see the nomenclature of this one, highest, and also the functional group has to be covered. So this one 4,4 dimethyl and 6,1,2,6-ethyl, and at third position OH group is there, and total number of carbon 9 carbons are there. So that's why it is 4,4 dichloro, 6-ethyl, 3-nonanol. So like this. So and another example, you can note down another examples also. So this one, for example, you can see, oh, this is the phenol. At second and sixth position ethyls is there. So that's why 2,6 diethyl phenol. 2,6 di, it's not tri, it's a diethyl phenol. So like that. So another example, you can see this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is at second position 2 methyls, and fourth position also dimethyls are. So that's why it is 2,2, 4,4 tetramethyl hexanol. So this is it. Come to the so very important is that acidity of alcohols and phenols. So we know that alcohol are OH and oxygen having lone pair of electrons, because oxygen is directly connected to oxygen, more electronegative element, so that it can, the bond between oxygen and hydrogen is a weak. So that's why it can readily releases this H plus ion and forms a conjugate base, alkoxide anion. So now, so what is the evaluate the acidity of these compounds? So now the stability increases the stability. For example, R minus, RNH minus, and all alkoxide and halogen. So now that's why halogen is the most stable, then alkoxide, then amine, then so then alkyl anion. So this is the order of stability of conjugate base. So that's why so this is the least stable and this is the most stable. So therefore the pKa for most alcohol falls in the range of 15 to 18. So alcohols having very low pKa value indicates that there are very weak acidity. So that's why this is the, you can see that alkane 45 to 50 and amines 35 to 40 and alcohols 15 to 80, whereas the hydrogen halides is 10 to 3. So that's why a very strong base is required. So very important is that very strong base can be used to deprotonate the alcohols. So what are that one? Sodium hydride and sodium or sodium or lithium or potassium. So these three metals can be removed, this hydrogen and sodium hydride. So that's why sodium and sodium hydride, for example, you can see here a tertiary butanol and lithium tertiary butoxide, even cyclopropanol. So in simple sodium or potassium tertiary butoxide and all, it can't eliminate the this alcoholic. And another importance of pK value cyclohexanol is that 18, whereas the phenol is the 10. So that's why now the phenol is, so that's why when phenol is deprotonated, the conjugate base is stabilized by the resonance. So that's why this is the so once we remove the hydrogen from the phenol, there is a resonance stabilization is there. So that's why, so now this is the, for example, sodium hydroxide, it can react with sodium phenoxide, it can form. So now this is the some example, for example, ethyl alcohol, the pK is 16. So now that hydrogens are replaced with 3 chlorine because of so that's why the pK is now the decreased to 12.2. so that's why, so now trichloroethanol is the strong acidic nature, and even so now ethyl alcohol is there and tertiary butanol is there. So now pK is 16 and whereas 18. Why? Because the inductive effect, so increases the inhaled because of this solvent effect, because of it can be stabilized by the solvent, and whereas the tertiary butanol so hindered. So these are the some so criteria for the alcohol acidity. Thank you.